Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You'll begin by confirming the hardware and power settings so the rest works smoothly. Open the Start menu, type Device Manager, and press Enter. Once Device Manager appears, expand the network adapters and Bluetooth sections to look for a Bluetooth device entry. Make sure your power plan is set to high performance to avoid radio power saving. If you see a yellow warning icon, you'll address drivers next. This first pass quickly tells you if Windows recognizes the Bluetooth radio and if you can proceed. Next, you enable or install the driver so Bluetooth functions. Right-click the Bluetooth adapter in Device Manager and choose Enable if it's disabled. If enabled, choose Update Driver and pick Automatic Search. If Device Manager lacks Bluetooth entirely, run Windows Update or download the OEM Bluetooth driver on another PC and transfer via USB. After installing drivers, restart your laptop to allow Windows to initialize the radio. Once restarted, reopen Device Manager to confirm there's. Finally, you turn Bluetooth on and pair a device. Open Control Panel, go to Hardware and Sound, then Devices and Printers and click Add a Device. Make sure the item you want to pair is discoverable. When Windows finds it, select it and follow the pairing prompts. Enter PIN if requested. If the device doesn't appear, run the Bluetooth troubleshooter or reinstall the driver and double-check the device's discoverable mode. Once paired, Windows will list the device, and you can test connectivity immediately.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.